Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a slightly different video than I've done in a long time. Today is going to kind of be like a lip gloss lookbook. It's actually kind of cute. I might use that for the title. Anyway, today's going to be basically my favorite inexpensive lip glosses that I love to use. If you guys see me do makeup tutorials, I'm always doing like a nude lip with a gloss. If I do a matte lip, it's usually when I do my darker lips, which I just don't wear glosses with unless I'm going for a more avant-garde type of feel. So basically in this tutorial, I will just be showing you guys the lip glosses that I love, the liners that I usually pair them with, and some of them which I usually pair with more inexpensive lipsticks as well. So if you guys would like to see that collection, then go ahead and stay tuned. For this tutorial, I will start off with plain lips. Nothing will be on my lips, but of course my lip balm, which I use to moisturize my lips in the morning, and I'll clean that off with a makeup wipe before we get started. But I will be applying the liners and then the glosses, and then showing you guys basically what they look like without the lipsticks. And then I will try to, at the end, show you guys some of the ones with lipsticks and how I usually would wear them, because some of the glosses I do not wear alone because they do have a kind of pigment to them and they will look patchy unless they're over top of a base. So that's just a disclaimer in the beginning, and hopefully you guys really like this video.
Alright guys, so we are starting out with a few of my favorite lip pencils. They're pretty inexpensive and they all serve a purpose. First up is the Wet n Wild Pretty in Mink. This is a grungy, cool toned lip pencil, and I use it usually for my cooler looks. Next is a NYX in Dark Brown. This is a more warm brown pencil. I typically use this for all of my 90s lip gloss looks. And then there's the Nika K Wild Cherry, which is a ringer dupe for the NYX pencil in formula. It's more of a red toned brown, more of a cherry red. Then there's my favorite, the Kiss NY Dark Lip Pencil, and it is basically a retractable lip pencil. It's a lighter brown. It's perfect for everyday looks and softer lip looks. So here are all the lip pencils I use the most, extremely affordable, all under $5. Let's get into the lipsticks. My favorite all-time new lipstick is the Wet n Wild Bare It All. It is a dupe for MAC's Honey Love. Once you put it on, when it mixes with the liner, it is a perfect nude. Then there is the Jordana Matte Frappuccino, which should be called Matte Puccino. It's more of a reddish brown nude, not as opaque, but still really pretty on the lip. Stepping into glosses, Black Radiance Starstruck is up first. It is a light pink base with a more silver glitter, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like over that Wet n Wild Bare It All. I usually can wear this either over the lipstick or by itself. So basically my usual is to line my lips with the Kiss lip pencil and then apply the lip gloss. I can do an everyday look with no base with this, and it just wears really beautifully. You can kind of see the slight sparkle in it. It doesn't pop as much as when it's over lipstick, but it's still really beautiful. Then up is the Black Radiance Lovesick. This I usually wear over the Jordana gloss because it just has a reddish brown tint to it, and it really makes it pop. Here I'm just applying it by itself, and you can see it gives your lips kind of like this sexy reddish 90s kind of look. Then it's Black Radiance Date Night, which is my favorite gloss of all of them. It's a bluish purple, almost iridescent color when it's over the Bare It All lipstick. You can see the blue and purple flecks come through. It is absolutely gorgeous. Even when you don't apply it with the lipstick, I'm using it here with the Nika Wild Cherry, which is a more reddish tone brown, and it just brings in kind of a bunch of burgundy tones, some purple tones, some maroon tones. It's just giving you a lot of dramatic and a lot of flair, and I really love this gloss. Then there's Black Radiance Black Diamond, which is a special occasion gloss, no doubt. I usually wear this over a base, and my favorite is the Mickey Song Blackout. It is the most matte black lipstick I have ever found, and basically, if you can see, without the base, this lipstick is a little patchy. It's kind of hard to get a black lip gloss. It's I don't know, it's kind of difficult, I guess, to formulate it. Right now I'm using the Wet n Wild Pretty in Mink pencil. You can also use a black pencil. I didn't want to stain my lips, so I used the darkest, coolest brown that I could find. Here you'll see it's giving off more green vibes when it's not over that black base. You can also put it over a purple base and it will be popping as well. Going into some more expensive lip glosses, the e.l.f. Pink Cosmo Gloss is the perfect lip plumping gloss. I also wear this one on a daily basis. Basically, you just pop it on without a lipstick and it is perfect. It's very tingly. It has that kind of lip injection feel without the spice. Then there's the Kiko Hydra Claws, which is a pearly pink. It's more of a frosty pink. Once again, this is perfect for everyday wear, especially in the wintertime. It gives you a nice pink frosty look. And when it's over lipstick, it's even more beautiful. You can choose it over like baby pink for that really kind of soft and cute effect. The Kiko Hydra Gloss in Sparkling Hibiscus, however, is more of a hot pink, and it's going to give you more of a party gloss than it's going to give you an everyday gloss. I don't typically wear this one every day just because it makes my lips look extremely bubbly pink, and that's not really my style every day.
Alright guys, so that is just about it for this lip gloss lookbook. Hopefully you liked the glosses that I showed you guys, and I hopefully will have all the prices and everything popping up throughout the video if I don't get too lazy while editing. Unfortunately, I film all my videos when there is no sun out, so this is as good as it gets. I can't show you guys what they look like in sunlight, and they are popping in sunlight, trust me. But hopefully you guys found a few glosses that you would like to purchase if you don't have them already. This last combination is just my usual combination of the e.l.f. Plumping Gloss, the Wet n Wild and Bare It All, and just my Kiss lip pencil that I showed you guys in the video. So this is the combination I tend to do every single day with my everyday makeup looks. It's my favorite go-to combination. So if there isn't any other combination you want to get, I do highly recommend this one because this one will go with almost any look you decide to do. Let me know down in the comments below which one was your favorite combination. This video is a little different because I'm actually standing up in my studio. I never do my videos standing up, but I decided to do this one standing up for some odd reason. Who knows? I don't know. I just think I do stuff a lot quicker when I'm standing. Does anybody else feel like that? Like when I'm sitting down, I feel like I just move so slowly, and I sit down all day at work, so this is kind of good. I like this. I like standing up, but I do move a lot. I did fix my wing liner and tried to fix my eyelashes. It was a little wonky at the beginning of the video, and I noticed that my eyelash kind of was like not on correctly and my liner was not even, so do excuse that as well. I do my makeup early in the morning, girl. Sometimes I don't be all the way there when I be, you know, trying to get the wings right, shit. So do excuse the rest of my face. This was more about lip gloss, so I tried to just do something simple so I'm not distracting you guys. Anyway, hopefully you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for almost getting us to 11K. That is, you guys are so like, y'all are so awesome. Like I just, if I could hug each and every one of y'all, I really would. Bring it in, let's bring it in, give me a hug. Let's, come on, embrace. I actually really don't like for people to touch me, so I get anxiety attacks. It's really bad. I don't. But I am sending you love from afar through the camera, through YouTube. And hopefully if you guys are not part of our family already, you'll hit that subscribe button down below to see more videos. We're kind of random on this channel. Like we do a little bit of hair, we do a little bit of makeup, we do a little bit of just about everything here. I'm going to start doing DIYs because I'm trying to learn how to sew. I'm going to start making my own clothes, y'all. We saving money over here. That's the continuous thing with my videos. We save money over here, okay? Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.